What's up everyone, my name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making something called the D.O.M cocktail. The D.O.M cocktail was created by Frank Meier in his book, The Artistry of Mixing Drinks in 1936. Frank Meier was a bar owner in Paris. The Ritz bar was the bar that he operated and owned. So this is a very, very classic, traditional, old school cocktail. But let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 ounces of gin. I'm using Hendrick's gin. You can get this at Trader Joe's for around 30 bucks. Pretty good gin. A lot of people don't really like it because of the cucumber taste notes in it, but I personally like it. And then we're gonna do half an ounce of Benedictine, D.O.M Benedictine. That's where the name comes from. So half an ounce. And you have to use Benedictine. It's a French herbal liqueur. There's really no substitutions for it since it is a proprietary blend of herbs, so it's really hard to substitute it with anything else. And then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. Try this. Shake it because I squeezed this about 30 minutes ago. Just want to get everything mixed up. Then we're gonna get ice. We're gonna put it in our tin. We're gonna combine our tins and shake. Oh. So we got our tin. Let's get our chilled Nick Nora glass. Oh yeah. We're gonna be double straining since we're serving it up straight. We don't want any ice chunks. Okay. We are gonna get an orange and we're gonna just get the peel. Let's express those oils into our drink and onto our glass. And there we have it, the D.O.M cocktail. Let's give it a sip. Ooh. It's good. So, with Benedictine, you really get a bunch of those honey notes, and the honey notes, not honey oats, honey notes go really well with the orange juice. Say, honey and orange, I just feel like is always a perfect pairing. And then you definitely get those botanical notes from the juniper and the gin, as well as some of those cucumber notes. It's nice and, it's a really pleasing cocktail. I know I say pleasing a lot, but it's a good sipper, good spring sipper. And you know, it's, well, in the time of filming this video, it's February, but by the time this goes up, it's gonna be March, and spring is around the corner. So yeah, I recommend this drink. Pretty good. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. Happy March. It's been almost like a year since COVID. Wow. I digress. But yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. I said that again, but see you in the next one.